Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Okay. Hello, hello. Damn, it's been a little while. Okay. Hi, 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 hi. Well, I've been a bit off. Okay. Guess I'm gonna have to do some stuff later. Anyway. Okay. Hi. Hi, hi. Okay, so um I didn't have much time to continue on that in the past few weeks, actually. So I'm pretty much where I was almost. I have a few new little feature, but nothing really major. You can just like, over stuff to display the data, and then like, if you hover it on the left side, you can see it in the scene, which one it is, in case there are preserved unit, like multiple units with the same skin. Yeah, I have some health bars now. I have tactical mode. I don't know if that was already there a few weeks ago. I think it was. So I don't think that's new. So there's that. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, so we have the units that can move, they have the spells, but now the spells like just cast instantly, and I guess that's what I want today is to um, be able to have like a little animation before like killing stuff with the spells maybe. Yeah. Something like that. So I guess that's the objective of the day. Yeah, I think it's gonna go with that, and then we'll see. But yeah, so uh, just so you know, if you're interested by the tutorial, which is gonna come in the future, near future, I hope. Um, I'm still working on that actually. I just want to make sure that the project is all perfect first, or maybe not perfect, but at least good enough. Um, so yeah, so I still have to work a bit on it before I can start making videos, because I don't want to like start the tutorial and then just change some code in the middle. So like I don't want to waste your time actually. That's more what I mean. Yeah. So I want to make sure that all the bases are like covered and they are all stable, and then like can start making the videos, and then like if we change stuff, at least it's gonna be minor stuff, not like major stuff in the middle. Like rewriting a ton of functions and everything. Anyway, so yeah. So, um, so yeah, today the objective is to uh, do a little bit of visual when we cast spells. Nothing really big. I think I'm just gonna like spawn a cube that slam on the head of the units or stuff like that. Like something really basic. Yeah. And also I don't have that much time today, so we're gonna have to do it fast. Okay. Hmm. First, we're gonna go see where the damage is applied. Actually, it's not in there. Maybe here. In the spellcasting component. Okay. So right now, what I'm doing is looping through all the indexes. Like if it's an AoE spell, I think that I don't care about the AoE for now. So what I'm gonna do is once I have all my indexes, which is probably gonna be like one index most of the time, then we can cast a specific spell. So maybe we could have like 2 or 3 different animation. Yeah, something like that. Then later, like, we can replace it by visual effects or something. So yeah. Okay. So indexes, neutral indexes, blah blah blah. Get the tile. That's good. And then hit by a spell. The unit on the tile. Okay. So. So there's something here though. Actually, yeah, the only problem is that little thing here. So what will be the best option? Because I want to stop casting the spell if something happens. Or maybe what I could do, since they are... Because I'm gonna start casting the spell. So maybe it's gonna be handled by the spell itself. That means that I'm gonna do it here. Hey, hello, hello. No, not in a different place. Same exact place. I'm just standing up instead of being sitting down, like sitting on a chair. That's the only difference. How are you going? Yep, having a standing desk, it's so nice. Or at least like the possibility to switch between both. Because, yeah. Good, good. Okay, so casting the spell right here, I guess. That's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna need a class to cast a spell. Um, or am I playing them right here in that component? Or no, I guess I can create like smaller child. Can try something. So spell animations or something. I don't know. Create an actor, repeat spell animation. That one's gonna have like a few function. Actually, maybe not a function, maybe just the big and twist is gonna be good enough actually. Because it's just gonna spawn it. Yeah. Okay. So it's gonna need the combat manager, the indexes, the damage, I guess, the buffs. I guess that's what it's gonna need. Something like that. So if I put all these here, maybe. Actually, The HP and the buff doesn't matter, because it's just the animation, so all those things don't matter. So indexes. So these are going to be the indexes that we're going to hit, and the combat manager. So okay, so we have these. I'm just gonna put them instance in the table and expose them on spawn, so we can simply spawn the object and it's gonna work. So here what I can do is spawn actor from class. The class is gonna be spell animation for now. Doesn't matter. Transform doesn't matter. Combat manager, though, we have to pass it. And same for the indexes. Boom. Something like that. Great. Okay. So now it's playing the animation. Good. All that code here is probably gonna go somewhere else. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Just gonna go see where's that thing. Where do I use that function? Calling it here, which is not the right one, or there. So when I click, I call that function, and then I set the selected spell to none, which is good. And I think that's the only place I'm calling that function. So this is something we have to think about, because when we spawn, right now, if we spawn the object. Let's say it plays the animation and then it attack the units. Maybe the units are still can always just spawn the animation and then doesn't matter. Like we can just make sure that the damage is applied right now, but I think it's not nice enough. I think it would be nicer if the damage was applied when the spell is cast, like at the end of the animation. Let's say there's a big rock falling. We want to wait for the big rock to fall before like doing doom damage, because otherwise it's just stupid. Like -50, why? Oh, okay, there's the rock. Yeah, that's dumb. So I guess that's what I want. So I want to be able to cast a spell and then apply the damage like later. But since like, let's say the spell takes 5 seconds to play, exaggerating, but let's say the player plays super fast and he moves its units a little bit. They are not on the tile anymore, so we have to make sure that the spell takes a snapshot of the current grid and apply the damage to the right units. Either that, or we set Yeah, I actually don't know. Okay, let's start with that and then we'll see. Okay, so we have the combat manager. The first thing that we have to do is making sure that that we take a snapshot of all the grids, all the tiles at the current moment. So grid tiles copy or something. because this is the copy that happens when the object is spawned. That's good. So that's good. Then once I have that copy, I can do whatever I want. And I should be able to wait X amount of time, and then the spell should be casted and should work. So we're gonna just create a new event, and spell casting done or something. I don't know. Spell animation done. Maybe completed. I don't know. Okay, so when the spell animation is completed, what we do is we have to know which unit we're gonna hit. I guess that's so. Then we need another event though. Event spell animation and apply damage or something. Or maybe I can apply the damage. Needs to know how much damage and stuff. Oh, that's something. Because that means that I have to know everything. Actually, I could just pass them, I guess. Or... Okay, maybe I could... We're gonna try something. Okay. I'm gonna create these two variables. HP modifier and buff to apply. We're gonna make it them exposed and spawn. And then we're gonna pass them here. Oh, come on. Something like that. Okay. So now maybe, okay, how do we want to do that? We want to, it would be even nicer if we were able to display damage, like let's say I have a spell that hits 10,000 tiles. If I'm able to apply the damage like with a little, like, I don't know how to explain, like with a little offset in time, a little delay between damages. Yeah. Play spell animation. Okay. Play spell animation. Can probably do that. There. Spell animation completed. When the spell animation is completed, we need to know which tile it is. Or actually, maybe the index or the tile. That could be good actually, and you can just stop all the animation if it's done at that point. Okay, spell animation completed. Good. There. When the spell is animation, when the spell is completed for that tile, so target the tile. What we do is we get the unit that is on the tile. If it's valid, we punch it with the spell, like ground bad. And then if the combat is done, we probably wanna like destroy self. Something like that. But this can happen. I don't know when this is gonna happen though. Okay. On spell animation completed for tile. And then event spell animation completed. Something like that, I don't know. And then we're going to destroy self here. And then fully completed here, we can override it there. And then when we play the spell animation, by default, if I don't have any subclass that overrides it, I'm just gonna loop through all the tiles. I don't want to do that. And do I want to do it like with a delay or something? I can probably do something. So I can probably like just I want to do something simple, but I don't know. Actually, yeah, this is gonna be something simple. I don't care. Spell animation completed for tile. Great. Boom, boom. This is the default. Here we go. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see. Okay. Okay. So this should just work as is. So let's see. Huh, didn't work. Okay, because it's not calling the place spell animation. That should be good now. Good. Okay, so it seems to be the same as before, so that's good. I'm just gonna go change one of my spell. AoE diamond. I just want to make it like super high damage. Minus 50 to minus 60. I don't care. Go 50, 50. Okay. Okay. So now we just want to know what's gonna happen. Let's say if I kill the whole team with one spell. Can I boom? Okay. Okay, seems good. Okay. So it doesn't seem like it had a problem. Okay, what if I kill both teams with one spell? What's gonna happen? Oh, then that's gonna be annoying. Okay, I can kill these. That's a start. Can I kill myself? So go away. And then... Come on. Oh, really? Oh, I picked a spell that I can't kill myself with. Oh, that's great. Okay, that one... Oh, damn, that's gonna take a while. Okay. Would have been faster to just like change the code of the spell. Okay, yeah. Minus, minus 50, whatever. 80. Yeah, sure. 800 damage. Boom. Okay, let's go. Come on, Nutty. Go, go. Can I kill both team in one go? Yes. Okay. So it looks like it worked because the orange team didn't get it at all, which is awesome. Because yeah, if I do like something like this, boom, everybody get it. Okay, that seems pretty OP for spell. Okay, so now if I just move here a little bit, and I cast there. The orange team got it, my blue unit got it, my green unit didn't, so that's good. And then I guess I won. Yeah, it printed win. There's the damage value that's completely broken right now, but that's not too bad to fix, I guess. I can just go do that real quick. Where is that? So the color, I don't care. So the color, I don't care. So the color, I don't care. Play animation. Blah blah blah. Play anim. Why the hell? Huh. It's like it didn't disappear somehow. Of me. Screen space. Yeah, I should make it visible in here. Visibility visible. And then when we remove them, I'm just gonna make it hidden right here. Actually collapsed. Okay, that should fix the problem. It's not great, but whatever. Okay. Big away. I guess it worked. Whatever. Good enough. Okay. Good, 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 good. Don't care, don't care, don't care. That's not the point. No. The important are the spells. Okay. So by default, it's just doing nothing. It's the same behavior as I had before. So that's good. So now the behavior I want is the objective is to be able to have multiple spells that uses different classes, that plays a different animation based on the class. Come on, come on. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we need to be able to override that thing. So we're just gonna create a child of that thing. Spell animation that we're gonna call, let's say, falling from sky, whatever, I don't care. Okay, doesn't matter. Good. The pick and place, good, that's alright. We want to overwrite these events. Actually, probably not. Ooh, not most of them. Oh, come on. Okay. Not create a new function. Override them manually. So the one that I'm interested in is play spell animation, and then anything else doesn't matter. So that's good. Play spell animation. Boom. Add a call. 2.1. No, we don't want to call the parent. We don't. Because we want to override it. And then we want to call spell animation completed for tile at the end. That's what we want to do. So the objective is, for that one, what I want to do is first have a delay and then a few animations, spawn a few cubes and stuff, whatever, like something easy. So what we're gonna do is the indexes, we want to loop through them with a delay. So we can just start with that, I guess. Oops, I want to remove index, perfect, current, delay, and length greater than 0. We're gonna do that. So while the length is greater than 0, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the current one. Boom. Then we're gonna remove it from the list. We're gonna play the delay, go back to the beginning, something like that. And then we can call the function spell animation completed. Nope. Need the tile. Oh, that's a bit annoying though. Do I need the tile? I'm probably gonna need the tile anyway to know where it is, so yeah, never mind. So that's good. Boom. Something like that. Okay, so now the tiles should be it with 0.5 seconds delay in between each. Nope, we have to specify that we want to use that animation. So to do that, I'm gonna go back in the spell casting thingy. My spell animation here, I want to have that in spell impact. So we're gonna go set that in the structure here. Spell animation class. Spell animation class. By default, we're gonna set it to spell animation. Good. But now I'm just gonna pass it here, so that's good. I actually don't know why I have two of these, but it's all right. Okay, so that's good. The only thing is I have to go back in my data table, save it first, and then I want my AoE square to use the other spell animation. Good. Gonna save all that. Perfect. Okay. Now this should work. Oh, no. There's a problem here. I don't want to override that function. Okay. So the command. Good. Use that spell. Boom. It's targeting all the tiles one by one, so it's gonna take a little bit, I guess, because 0.5 seconds, it's pretty damn long. Or, ooh, sorry. Or it just didn't work. Nice. Oh, it worked. Boom. Perfect. Okay, so that's good. It took forever though. So 0.5 seconds is huge, because there's like a ton of tiles. So let's say 0.05. It should be fast anyway, because, like, you know, it's a game. We're not watching a movie. We're not gonna wait for hours. So that's perfect. Okay, good. So now we have the delay working. We just need to have the animation. Okay, so how do we play that animation actually? So we kind of want to spawn it and then whatever. So I guess I can just like do something BP falling from sky or something. Yeah, I don't know, whatever. We're just gonna add a cube in there for now. It's gonna be 100 by 100. That's good. And the animation is gonna be like timeline for now, maybe. Be from start. I don't know. I'm trying stuff. So 2 keys, 0, 0, and then let's say the animation take 1 second. So 1 1. So set curve back to our location. We're gonna lerp. Nope, that's it. Lerp. Thank you. Using that alpha here. Date. The B, I guess, is gonna be the target location, target tile location, whatever, I don't care. And then we're just gonna start at +100. Actually, 500. Let's see. And then we set the actor location good. And once it's finished, we're just gonna call it. Call it like an event dispatcher that says it's done. So done. Tile animation. Actually, yeah. Tile animation. Yeah, whatever. Should be good. Okay, so need a 2D vector index. This is just for testing. So we'll call that. Oh, that's good. Okay, well, target index. We need to have both expose and spawn. That's good. Perfect. Okay, good. So now here we're gonna spawn class falling from sky spawn transform. It doesn't matter. Target index is gonna be the current index. Good. Tile location. I guess that's it. We have to break this tile location. Assign on animation done, which is gonna call this. Here we go. So spawn the object, and then once the animation, we assign it. Once the animation is done, then once it's done, it's calling that function, which is gonna work, I guess. Okay, let's see. Something like that. And it didn't work. Yeah, sure. Oh, my timeline is broken, so it's 1 second. Good, and then we probably want to double this and then remove the collision. Something like that. Not sure it's good though. So then maybe we can trash all that. Because prototyping this made me realize that it's not great. Sadly. Because, okay, let's see. So once the animation is done, can destroy actor. I'm gonna call it distractor self. By default, we're gonna place it like 50,000 just to make sure that's nicer. What we can do is do that. Maybe not really. Oh, damn, I don't know. Is that no, that's bad. Whatever. It's not gonna be nice anyway. That, and then we might want to put that 100 high here. And then maybe if I use like another animation, like another tile pattern, I guess. So that one. That doesn't do nothing, so that's good-ish. That does that. Okay. I mean, that's an animation. Looks nicer than nothing, but so maybe instead of having like a delay here, 0.05. I just want to have like a tiny delay. Still feels like a long delay, no? Maybe the animation is just too long. So if I go back here and I say, let's say, quarter of a second instead. Okay, that's weird. That is super fast. Yeah. Okay, so no, that's a bad idea. That means we will need like some special visual effects instead, because this is not good. And I totally don't know how to do visual effects, so I guess we're gonna have to learn that. Oh, damn, I don't have time for that. Okay, so that's not good. It just doesn't feel good actually. So yeah, that's sad. Looks interesting, but feels bad. I mean, yeah. Maybe the animation is just bad though. We can probably have something better than that. But yeah. So maybe I can just what I could do is just have a simple animation, just spawn that for now. So maybe. Okay, so 25 seconds is way too short though. 0.75 maybe can be good enough. Actually, and I want to maybe in 5 seconds maybe can reach a target, could be good. Then can I make it auto? It could be interesting. Then I won't need that because of the way I'm gonna do it. And then instead of doing all that crap here, I'm going to just move that in the other one, in the spell casting. So I'm not gonna do that. Instead, I'm just gonna do the same thing I was doing before, but I'm gonna also spawn something here. just to have a little bit of visual. Something like that. So that will be good enough. Boom. Boom. Okay. So at least now I just have like some animations. And if I do that, that's actually nice. Like it looks interesting. Good enough for the testing, I guess. That's just wrong. So then maybe I can just change the logic a little tiny bit. I don't want to lose what I did, so I'm just gonna push it on get. But then I'm gonna delete it. But just I can come back if I need it later. Okay, here you go. So cube falling from sky. Actually, it's more like tile than cube. Tile falling from sky. Good. Okay, and then what we want to do is we're just gonna delete these things. Spell impact, I'm gonna remove that. I'm not gonna use that anymore. I can pretty much move that there. Actually, delete that folder. Fix the redirectors. Good, good. Okay, trash this. Trash that. So what I can do is just simply spawn that to the spawn that first, because it's gonna just look better if the animation always plays. Everything else doesn't matter. Okay. We're gonna need target indexes. And we're probably gonna need to know what is the combat manager. Okay, something like that. What is that thing? Come on. Thank you. Okay. So we're gonna need the combat manager. Boom. And then target indexes. Boom. Okay, perfect. We're gonna remove the other ones. Okay, great. Ooh, great. Okay. So these. Okay. So what I can do instead of a cube here, we're gonna have an instanced static mesh component, and we're gonna set all the static mesh and other stuff. So where do I set that in the grid? I know it's somewhere. So we're just gonna go see that. Set static mesh. Nope. There we go. We set the mesh in the grid. We don't want the flat mesh though. Actually, it could be interesting to have the flat mesh. Whatever, we'll see. Then the material. Do we need that? No. Technical grid. Yeah, we're gonna use the same thing as a technical grid, I think. So that could be interesting. Something like that. So here, boom, do nothing, confirm. Okay, get current shape data. So we're gonna get the current shape of the grid. So if it's a cube, it's gonna be a cube. If it's an hexagon, it's gonna be an hexagon. Blah blah blah. We all know that. Okay, then we're gonna get our instance static mesh here. We're gonna set is static mesh and also the material right there. Then for the color, we're probably gonna just like, let's say here, we can probably just put red for now, whatever, it's alright. Okay, good. That's good. Okay. So now that the tiles can have this right visual, we're just gonna spawn them. So for that, we're gonna get the target indexes. Boom. We're gonna get the data, which is good. Then we need the location. Actually, we probably need the scale. So we're probably gonna need the transform, the complete transform of the type. We can probably just, whatever, it's all right. Do that. Recombine, but break, because we're gonna need transform. And then we want to get our mesh, boom, add instance, an instance wall space for sure. That's good. Then I'm going to split this. We're gonna need the location that we're gonna add. Let's say we want 500. I don't know. Should be good. Then rotation and scale should be good also. Okay, something like that can be good enough. Okay. Okay, good. So now we're spawning all the tiles above the other tiles. Good. The next step is to, from start, and what we want to do is set the location of the current actor, putting it down by 500. Rigging it down. That's good. I'm just gonna rename that alpha. Great. Okay. So this is useless. This is useless. This is nope. This is useless. This is useless. Okay. So Okay. Get actor location. World. Do we want the world location? No, we don't. Get actor location. Set world location. This component is going to be movable, which is already is, so that's good. Set the world location. By default, it's going to be get actor location plus 500, and we're going to move it to actor location. Something like that. So that tiles should be good. Yeah, because I'm moving them all at the same time. I don't need to have the 500 here. So instead of that, I'm just gonna recombine and use the transform directly here, which makes it easier. And then the location starts at 500 higher and then goes down. And then once it's done, it's just gonna destroy the actor. So that's how it goes. So let's see. Boom. Oof. That was a weird one. For sure. Okay. At least it shows something. That's good. And the size is pretty damn good actually. The only thing is the Z. The Z is wrong and the scale in Z is completely wrong. But that's not a problem. To fix that, we're just gonna maybe not use the Z, or do we? Maybe we don't. So but I think we need to have the scale, no? I think we do need to have the scale. Let's see what happens if we don't use the scale at all. Yeah, the cube is tiny. Okay, so for some random reason that I don't know what, we're just gonna do that. Use the other scales, but don't touch the C scale. Whatever. We're just gonna also no collision for that. Good, that should be good enough. That's a little flat. No, I need the Z scale also. But why is the Z scale that huge? Okay, why? Why? Transform. Tile scale. Where did the tile scale come from? Flat mesh times 1. Okay. Okay, that's why. So how am I supposed to do that? Because how do the other cubes work? It always divides. That's okay. So it divides here. Not here. Divides there. Divides there. But doesn't use the scale. Okay. Whatever, we can just do that for now. That's probably not good, but whatever. As long as it's good enough for now, I'm gonna be happy. Okay, so boom. Didn't work. Actually, it kind of works. So I guess that's good. Yeah, when I get like that, it's flat, it's good. Okay, good. Okay. And then what I can do is promote the color to a variable. And then what we can do is when we cast a spell here, we can select the color and look if the HP modifier is higher than 0. If it's greater or equal than 0, let's see, we're just gonna put it green for now. And then otherwise we can put it red. Red. 0 blue. Thank you. And then we can make it a little bit. Okay. So that should be good. It should make a difference between like a damage spell or an healing spell. And I guess that's good enough for now. Boom. Start combat. Here's a damage spell. Here's another damage spell and another one. That's good. I don't have any healing spells set up right now, so that's alright, but that's nice. Good. Okay. Good. So that was actually the objective of the day. That's good. Okay, so yeah. So I guess I'm almost ready for like to start the tutorials and stuff. The only thing is I might actually want to hide that grid too. And that's nice. It's a nice shape. Okay. Maybe we can just like do a couple things first. The alpha maybe can start at like 0.1 and finish a little tiny bit early, like so 0.4. And then maybe like linear make more sense. Something like that. Maybe, but that's just like some random tweaking that doesn't matter. Boom. Okay, no. We really don't want to start later. We want to start right away. Yeah, that makes more sense. Good. Okay, so we have that. Okay. Can't add the grid because otherwise we won't see where are the borders of the grid because I don't have a shader for that. And yeah. So now the only thing that's remaining will be the AI and all the spells. Making sure I can use all of them and that they all work. Just making sure that it works. For that I'm just gonna add the spells. I don't remember what was the name of that spell, so we're just gonna go check it. Spell that. We want the healing spell. Oh, it's not there yet. Oh, that's why. Yeah, because I created a bunch of spells, but I didn't add them into the data table. So maybe in case I'm instead I'm just gonna 1, 2, and 4 to 5. Let's go. This one's gonna be a healing spell now. I just want to make sure that the color works and the healing feature works also. Good. That's actually pretty damn great. I want to see it again. That's nice. Good. So if we have like a real animation, then it's gonna be nicer, but whatever. Okay. So here we could like spawn an animation instead. But whatever. For now it's alright. Good, good, good. Okay, so I guess that's gonna be it for now. Only thing that's left, yeah, as I said, is the AI. So I'm gonna have to do the AI and then model a couple of characters, and then I guess I'm gonna be ready for start the tutorial. So that's good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so what happens if I cast it like super fast? That's nice. Like, that's good. Perfect. Awesome. Okay. So yeah. So a lot of wasted time again. That's why I'm trying to prepare everything first, and then we're gonna do the tutorial once everything's done. Yeah. But yeah. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for passing by, and yeah, I'm gonna try to finish that as soon as possible so we can start the tutorial. That's gonna be way more fun. Like than just me work on my side. At least I'm gonna work with you guys and we're gonna work together towards something, maybe. So yeah. Anyway, so thanks for watching. See you later and bye bye. Ciao.